right, we're starting off with 1 1/4 cup of blueberries. Next, I'm bringing in my sweetened condensed milk, and we're gonna use this whole can of sweetened condensed milk all in our blender. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious no-bake dessert that you're gonna wanna make all summer long. So you gotta make sure to use your whole 12.5 ounces of sweetened condensed milk in our blender. All right, and I just scraped that off camera. Now, the last thing we're gonna add to this mixture is 4 ounces of lemon juice, and I got the organic kind. I'm just adding this all into our blender with our fresh blueberries. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so easy and so delicious. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put our lid on, make sure it is on correctly and tight. And we are going to turn this on and we are going to blend this. Let's do the smoothie. Look at that beautiful color. All right, that looks absolutely perfect. We're gonna place this to the side and bring in our 9-inch Keebler graham cracker crust. You can do the shortbread crust or the pretzel crust, but I think this one is gonna taste the best with our blueberry lemon. And we're gonna grab our blender and pour our mixture right in. And it fits perfectly into our pie crust. Delicious. Look at that beautiful purple color we have. Now this is gonna go in the freezer for at least 1 hour. All right, while that's in the freezer, I'm gonna grab a large bowl and I'm gonna add my 1 pint of heavy whipping cream to my bowl. I usually like to put my bowl in the freezer, but I forgot to this time, so we are gonna do it just with a room temperature bowl. Now I'm gonna add about 1 cup of powdered sugar, and you can reduce the sugar intake if you don't want it as sweet, but I like this to be sweet. Last thing we're gonna add to our bowl is some vanilla extract, and we're gonna add about 1 teaspoon, and just use the cap. Oh, a little bit more, I think. Beautiful. All right, and I have here my electric hand mixer, so we're gonna go ahead and whip this up so that we can get a delicious homemade whipped topping to go with our blueberry pie. This is only gonna take a few minutes, maybe about 5 minutes, and we'll increase that speed so that we can get some nice peaks out of our heavy whipping cream. All right, this looks perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge until our pie is set. All right, our pie has set completely. It looks absolutely beautiful. The only thing that it's missing is our whipped topping that I put into a piping bag, and we're just gonna make little dollops around our pie, just like so. It doesn't need to be perfect. You can even just use Reddi-wip if you don't want to make homemade, but I think that looks extra special. And I am just gonna put a blueberry on top of each dollop of whipped cream. And then we have the cutest, perfect dessert for summer. All right, look how cute this came out. It is time to cut a slice. Just make sure to move that foil to the side. Our blueberry lemon no-bake pie. Oh, look at that beauty. Yummy. Using that fresh blueberry. Ooh, I cannot wait to give this a try. Yummy. Wow. Fresh, sweet, cool. It's delicious.